welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, so this is like the first time I'm greeting you after so many things have happened on this vlog. So my name is Edgar and I hope you like it here. And if it's your first time here, welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So I'm at like my favorite spot in this house, and I just wanted to come here and greet you guys and tell you that I just want to go run some errands. I want to actually go buy Ntambo's groceries. I did the house groceries the other day, and now I just want to go do Ntambo's groceries, which is just buy him his diapers. Because it's a lot of admin, I just prefer to do it on like a separate day, because like usually I'd go to Clicks, then come out of Clicks, go to Woolworths when I want to go look at clothes, come out of Woolworths, go to Pick n Pay clothing, go to Pick n Pay, the shop itself. Like it's too much, and I have to buy like diapers, juices, and tonton yogurts. So I just prefer to do it on a separate day. So today is that day, and I'm wearing hubby's beanie, and I'm wearing this t-shirts that I bought at Pick n Pay clothing that I showed you guys previous, I don't know how many vlogs back. And then I'm wearing my favorite shorts, and then I'll be putting on some slides, just normal slides from Pep. And we are going with Ntambo right now, and I hope you guys will I hope you guys are still enjoying this vlog, and thank you so much guys. Please forgive me about my music, and I will not be having that music that I had on previous vlogs for such a long time, because I don't know what happened with my Epidemic Sound subscription, and they just copywritten or copyright me. What? It's a copyright claim. So they just gave me a copyright claim on my previous vlog. So I am done with that. I'm just going to look for something else that I'm going to use on my vlogs, something unique, man, and something that is nice and vibey. But until that time, I guess it's just going to be that. So we are back from the mall, and apart from all these groceries I bought in Tambo, a toilet. I'm hoping he's going to use this, because our toilet right now is where he just throws away his things. So he'll pick up his small toys and go throw them inside our toilet. I'm just hoping that he's going to use this fruitfully. So we bought him the toilet because we want to start potty training him. So this is Ntambo's little toilet. And then I also got these from Shoprite, because I've been looking for something like this, but I haven't been getting the ones that I want. So I got one for oil, and I also got one for vinegar. So these are the two. I'm just hoping that I'll like them. I hope they were black. I just wish they were black, but it's fine. I think I'll do with the silver, because also I do have like silver aesthetics in my house. So like my kettle, it's black and silver, so it does match. So I think it's okay. I'm just going to put them there. Maybe I'm going to do it tomorrow with you guys, but yeah, I'm just going to wash this nicely and then put in the oil and the vinegar with you guys. So let me just pack all these things into their respective places. And also I am introducing Tambo to a new cereal, because I feel like he's eating one and the same thing for breakfast. So I want to introduce him into a new thing. So I bought these Choco Puffs for him, because I want him to try these. So I bought these Choco Puffs for him. I hope that he'll like them. Never tasted them before. I've never ate them. Guanami. This is like Tambo is like, what, our demo? Like, we just want to try this with him. I'm hoping he's going to like them, so that it doesn't become a waste of money. But if he doesn't like them, I'll take this to my brothers. My brothers like cereal, so if he doesn't like it, I'll take it to my brothers. They'll definitely eat this. So yeah, this is one juice that Tambo, yo guys, I should have filmed for you when Tambo refused dismally to drink this juice, because he's used to 100% fruit juice and it was just not on. So let me just pack these things into their respective places, then I'll see you guys.